Mi beard trimmer comes with self-sharpening stainless steel blade that offers 0.5 mm precision. It comes with a 20 settings dial and 2 beard combs that give you a total of 40 length settings to choose from. As for battery life, Xiaomi claims that 5 minutes of charging gives the trimmer 10 minutes of use. A full charge will offer 90 minutes of battery life in one go. Xiaomi claims that it also works with most power banks and there's a dedicated travel mode that helps save more battery. It is IPX7 certified, which means that cleaning it under a tap should not be a problem. The company says that the quad edge design offers a good grip on the trimmer and its slip-proof texture adds to the overall trimming experience. Xiaomi's Mi beard trimmer is up for pre-order for Rs 1199 rupees on mi.com. It will be made available on mi.com, Amazon, Mi Homes from June 27 in an open sale manner. The sale will begin at 12 p.m. noon IST on June 27.